In the world of industrial heating, accuracy, innovation, and efficiency are essential. Furnace Improvement Services Incorporated leads the way, delivering engineering solutions that set new standards in performance and reliability. We offer a full suite of engineering services, including process engineering, optimizing thermal processes to enhance efficiency and output, mechanical and structural engineering, designing durable systems capable of withstanding high-temperature operations, 3D modeling, creating detailed digital representations for precise planning and modification, CFD modeling, utilizing computational fluid dynamics to analyze combustion and heat distribution, ensuring optimal heater performance. At FIS, we specialize in upgrading existing fired heaters, bringing them up to modern standards. Our upgrades lead to extended operational lifespans, increased capacity and efficiency, reduced emissions, and enhanced safety. Through meticulous engineering studies, we've assisted clients in optimizing heater performance, addressing challenges like capacity limitations and thermal efficiency. For new installations, FIS offers custom-designed fired heaters built to your specific requirements, specialized training and engineering support to strengthen your team, comprehensive engineering studies to ensure optimal design and performance. Our state-of-the-art 3D modeling and CFD simulations provide detailed insights into heat flux distribution, accurate temperature profiles across radiant tubes, enhanced understanding of flue gas circulation patterns. At Furnace Improvement Services Incorporated, we don't just design heaters. We engineer solutions that drive efficiency, safety, and innovation. Partner with us to elevate your heating systems to new heights. Want smarter, cleaner, and longer-lasting fired heaters? Let's connect. Visit heatflux.com.